For many of you, Montessori has been your foundation, and it's not simply an education, but it's your way of seeing the world. You've learned independence and responsibility. You've learned to respect yourself, to respect others, to respect your environment. And you've learned that education is not something that's done to you, but something that you actively pursue. Today you leave this Montessori classroom, many of you, and you step into a larger classroom, the world. And my advice is to take Montessori to the world. Take your curiosity into boardrooms, into classrooms, into universities, into laboratories, into your families. Take your compassion into your conversations with others. Take your confidence into challenges that seem bigger than you are. And when you encounter obstacles, and you will, I want you to remember something that you hopefully have felt throughout this entire journey. And that's the pride that we have for you for trying. Not just for succeeding, not just for earning the grade or the award or the acceptance letters or the diploma, but for trying, for your genuine effort,